Hey y'all, it's Rayvon from Love Lola.
So I am super excited to tell you that I am working on a collaboration with Babylon Leather, and I'm going to be doing a tutorial on one of their kits. I'm super excited about this. I love, I love bag making, period. But I always admire when I see these gorgeous leather bags. And I have started playing around with leather a bit, but I'm not completely confident with bag making with it. It's a little different from vinyl, but I have made a few items with leather, and I'm interested in continuing learning about sewing with leather. So when they reached out to me about this, I immediately was just pumped because I'm intrigued, you know? So I am going to pick out my first kit to get a tutorial recorded for it, and I'm asking you to help me. Help me pick out which one I should do. If you're interested and you think that you would purchase one of these kits and sew it along with me, I've provided the link. Go to their website, browse, and tell me which one you would like to see me do a tutorial for. Babylon leather kits are designed specifically for beginners in bag making, crafts, and leather work. They pre-cut, pre-treat, and pre-punch all of the leather pieces and include all of the necessary hardware, accessories, needles, and thread in the kit, so you don't need to buy anything else. Each kit comes with detailed step-by-step video tutorials, including material introduction, stitching techniques, sewing and assembly methods, hardware installation, and the final bag shaping. Even if you've never sewn before, you can learn the stitching techniques and bag assembly within minutes. Some advantages and features of the leather kits are you don't need a machine. This is going to be 100% hand sewn leather projects. You're going to be receiving high quality, top grain, full grain leather material, precise pinholes, and the best quality hardware. All inclusive materials and tools, pre-processed leather, toolkit, hardware kit, strap, lining, needle, and thread, everything that you need to make the bag that you choose. There's going to be a step-by-step tutorial video, online teaching, and they're always going to have a quick response if you need help. They're simple and easy to start. You can start sewing in minutes. They have worldwide and free shipping, and it's usually delivered within 6 to 12 business days for most cities. Guys, help me pick out what my first tutorial is going to be. I'm providing the link. Follow that link, browse around, and see what you would like to see me do a tutorial for. Please comment below which bag you would like to see me do, or you can go to my Facebook group, Baggy Baddies, and comment there. Okay, bye.